Okay, how you going? It's we've got Australia Day, the day before Australia Day. It's the 25th of Australia Day, 25th of January, which is the day before Australia Day, and I bought my my big bazooka here, the 140, because it's balloons or something, some balloon rides that are going on, and they're going to light them up, and it's like dark here now, so. And Jerry's here. I always bring Jerry. Hey Jerry, we're going to see the balloons. Jerry, we're going to see the balloons. Yes, you're all excited. So let's see what I can capture with this 100 to 400 Olympus. Yeah, and we'll see if we can get any lit up balloons, you know, neon balloons. They're all sold out. They were $10 a ride, but they're all sold out. So that would have been awesome. Me and Jerry in a balloon. Anyway, let's go over and I'll take some photos. Looks like I brought the wrong lens. Even 100 is way too close. Unless they get up in the air, then we'll see. But yeah, 100 to 400, not the best lens to bring. Should have bought the other bloody lens, but I've only got a little bag. Jerry. Back the next day. Hey Jerry. Jerry's back here and you wouldn't believe it, it's too windy, so the balloons aren't taking off. Jerry, what the hell, man, I woke up all this early for nothing. Anyway, luckily I bought my smaller 14 to 150 lens, because the bazooka, I've got the bazooka as well, so it doesn't really matter. I can swap over if the balloons start flying, but I don't know, it doesn't seem windy, but they reckon it's windy further up. They got some balloon here, I don't know where the hell the balloon is, but it blows because there's no bloody balloons flying today until that wind drops down. Anyway, stiff shit. Let's walk around and take photos anyway. Hey Jerry. Jerry. Hey. Joya. Big dog. Jerry, big dog.
It's alright.
Big dog, Jerry. Good girl. So it looks like no balloons today. To take some photos of some baskets. What do you think, Jerry? Take photos of baskets? Jerry! The baskets aren't very big, are they? Like 3 people, 2 people and the driver. That was, I
I should have slept in. Bloody hot. It's too hot, Jerry. Jerry, this way. Good girl.
Crowded. See, they got the fire truck on the gas.
Sorry. Jerry Bum Bum. See the keg, Jerry. Jerry, you want a coffee? You want a coffee? Yeah. You get a coffee. Jerry, this way. Jerry, it's little one. It's a little baby, Jerry. So Jerry, look, this is where we're getting our citizenship. So today, on the Australia Day, I think this is when you have the ceremony to actually get your citizenship, and they're having a little ceremony here. So across Australia on today, that's alright, you actually get your citizenship today. So, which is appropriate, because it's Australia Day. Hey Jerry, Australia Day. You see there? This is where you get your citizenship. Jerry, good girl. Jerry, good girl, Jerry. Huh? You see the guide dog, Jerry. It's Gwen. Gwen, the guide dog. Jerry, good girl. Good girl, Jerry. Alright, Jerry, let's go this way. One of the most crucial ingredients of Australia Day is skincare. Is sunblock. You need sunblock. If you don't have sunblock, you'll burn in Australia. So sunblock is what you need. Factor, Jerry, what factor? Factor 50? Yeah? Jerry, do you want sunblock? You want sunblock? Jerry does, actually she does, because she's got white. Tell you what, it's like 8 o'clock and it's already bloody hot. Jerry, can you feel it? Lucky I brought my hat. I got my little strap here. Can you see it, Jerry? It's a sling. Much easier to walk around with a sling. look, no smoking. Raider Hill smokers. Let's get a shot like that.
Sorry.
You're right. Gary, yeah, good girl. Gary, this way.